Hello and welcome. After we discovered the how to and types of printers, let's initiate our next week's course about troubleshooting by one of the basics, installing a driver. First, we go to Windows Search and write Print. Click on Printers and Scanners. We can find here all the printers already installed on this computer. We can add a new one by clicking on the plus button. Windows should be able to install automatically all current printers. If not, click on "The printer that I want isn't listed." Then choose "Add local printer" or "Network printer" with manual settings. Don't change the printer port, just click Next. We can choose from the Windows driver catalog. For example, the Canon MG 2500 series. If your printer doesn't appear in the list, you can download it and install it from a folder. Just click on Have a disk and choose the folder to install. Thank you for watching.